Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the current affairs show, the daily one-liner series of 29th June. So let's begin with the today's session. Which energy company became India's first company to declare energy compact goals as part of HLDE 2021? The answer is NTPC. NTPC unveiled its target to install 60 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity, wind and solar, to reduce 10% of its net energy intensity by which year? The answer is 2032. Central government, after consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority, introduced Companies Accounting Standard Rules 2021 with effect from. The answer is 1st April 2021. Under what section central government introduced the Companies Accounting Standard Rules 2021? The answer is section 133 read with section 469. According to MSME, in case of small and medium companies, what is the revised threshold turnover and borrowing limits? The answer is the turnover limit is 250 crores and the borrowing limit is 50 crores. Who cannot come under the definition of SMC? The answer is banks, financial institutions and insurance companies. What is the constituency of Nirmala Sitharaman? The answer is Karnataka. Which two countries have been placed under the grey list of FATF, Financial Action Task Force? The answer is Pakistan and Malta. Rupees 1860 crore loan was approved for the implementation of SALT program in Andhra Pradesh by whom? The answer is World Bank. What is the full form of SALT? The full form of SALT is Supporting Andhra's Learning Transformation Program. How much did India receive as remittance in 2020? The answer is USD 83 billion. ICICI Bank executed India's first digitized or paperless bill discounting transaction in partnership with which company? The answer is ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel. Which bank has launched Pay Your Contact feature in its mobile banking app? The answer is Kotak Mahindra. RBI extended restrictions on PMC Bank till which date? The answer is December 2021. Dash partners with InstaMojo to help MSME and gig workers. So the answer is MasterCard. Global Alliance for Mass Game and Dash partnered to revive MSMEs suffered amid pandemic. The answer is SIDBI. Who won Japan Society of Civil Engineers Award? The answer is Delhi Metro. Which airport has won Airport Council International Director General's Role of Excellence honor in airport service quality for 2021? The answer is Cochin Airport. Who has been appointed as Central Vigilance Commissioner? The answer is Suresh N. Patel. Who will head the three-member task force for bureaucratic reforms to help government bring major bureaucratic reforms through Mission Karmyogi? The answer is Sarojini Damodaran Shibulal. Mission Karmyogi will be set up as a non-profit company under what section of the Companies Act 2013 as a government-owned entity? The answer is Section 8. Central government has extended the term of Attorney General K.K. Venugopal by 1 year till which date? The answer is June 30, 2022. Which bank has acquired 7.4% stake in Virtuoso Infotech Private Limited? The answer is HDFC Bank. Headquarter of Virtuoso Infotech Private Limited is in? The answer is Pune, Maharashtra. Who has launched the website for Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan scheme? The answer is Thwarchand Gehlot. DRDO successfully test fire the nuclear capable surface to surface missile from Balasore, Odisha. What is its name? The answer is Agni P prime. A new plant species, Siddha keralaensis, identified from wastelands of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Max Verstappen wins Styrian Grand Prix 2021 and Fabio Quartararo win Dutch MotoGP 2021. L'Oreal Hubbard became the first transgender to complete Olympics. She is related to which sports? The answer is athlete. Author of the book Anomalies in Law and Justice is written by? The answer is Judge R.V. Ravindran. Book titled Growing Up Biden, a memoir written by whom? The answer is Valerie Biden Owen. MSME Day is annually observed on which date? The answer is 27th June. World Allergy Week 2021 is observed across globe on? The answer is 13th to 19th June. National Insurance Awareness Day is annually observed on which date? The answer is 28th June. Andhra Pradesh Chief Secretary gets 3 months extension. His name is? The answer is Adityanath Das. Vijay Rupani virtually inaugurates India's catalytic reactor wastewater treatment plant at? The answer is Vatva GIDC Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So by this we come to the end of the today's session. So thank you so much for your time and patience, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos. So thank you so much.